So for the past 5 years, we have seen a very different trend from what we used to see around 2018. In 2018, it was more like a cookie cutter, very defined strategies, very defined structures from a domiciliation as well as investment perspective. So what we have been seeing for these past years is a new evolution from a private equity and private markets perspective, getting into much more of a hybrid role, strategic speaking, as well as from a domiciliation. Now we're starting to see the U.S. Fund managers getting into the European, as well as the European getting into the U.S. So it's an evolution of the private markets from a very defined way of looking into this strategy into a new way of seeking alpha. So one of the things that we're seeing as I was mentioning on the seek of alpha, for the past 15 years, there has been an increase in exited portfolio companies, especially in the private equity and at the VC side. And as such, one of the things that now we're seeing is more like the seek of the LP money, investors' money from a retail investment, from a retail perspective. So in the European side, we're seeing LTAFs and LTIFs. This is something that we didn't see before. And again, it's back to the point of looking for that investor's money. We are working with our clients, we're collaborating with our clients. What we always look for is a scalability and providing global solutions for our clients. So what we have been doing, again, like evolving with the market, we have been investing in the technology, in the global operating model, as well as looking into the client's needs and what they're looking for from a data aggregation perspective as they are evolving into this public versus private, now it's private and public strategies. So one of the things and a project that we've been working for the past 3 years on the technology side is Fusion. Fusion is a data aggregator platform where we are able to standardize data for our clients, very particular to now these new trends where private and public are emerging and are becoming one of the, of the new ways that private equities and private markets look at that. Fusion is that tool where clients will be able, from a reporting perspective, as well as standardization of data, they're going to be able to use Fusion for that. Again, I think talking about collaboration, what we see in our clients is not just a client, it's a partner. So we like to have a very open discussion on what their needs are. Also, from a thought leadership perspective, J.P. Morgan has been able to help clients understand the private markets more as they are trying to get into this space. So in addition to that, we help them on the technology side. We work with them to be able to connect the technology for them. Again, back to the Fusion point, we're trying to make them understand how data aggregation can really help them from investment and reporting perspectives.